Hello, hello. How is everybody doing? I'm just going to quickly post this around. Just need to YouTube real quick. Why? What the fuck, man? Multi-stream is being a little funky. Making Wordle on the Alarmo. Save. Okay, that is very strange. There we go. And this needs to be there we go. Boom. Gonna put this around. I guess there. I guess I could do it here. Whatever. Okay, and then go to Twitter. And this guy. Okay, cool. Hello, everybody. Hope we are doing pretty well today. Why is that not working? 1 second. Now. Okay. Switch activity feed. No. Stream elements. Activity feed. Why is activity feed? Like, it's just nothing. That's so annoying. Okay, whatever. Docs. Twitch stats. Works for me. And then docs. Twitch activity feed. Close enough. Alright. Off we go. Okay, so first of all, gotta plug this guy into my computer so we can actually do things. Yeah, I guess we can just instantly go into this. I got this stuff actually running a lot better. This scene is pretty heavy, so it doesn't look like it, but we're at like 2,000 vertices, and that's pretty nuts. I can also tilt now. I can do that as well, and of course left and right. But that's not what we're doing today. So let me get rid of that and get rid of that. Today we are making Wordle. Currently, we don't exactly have the ability to connect online yet, but that's okay. We don't actually need it. Well, for now, anyway. What am I gonna start with? Clock. That's his clock. Sure. I'll go with this. Save as, and I just gotta save it onto our clock, so we have a file here. There we go. Okay. So I'm also just gonna turn this down real quick. There we go. So, the big thing about Wordle on the clock is we need to figure out the best way to actually set up like a keyboard, right? Because that's the main thing. I was gonna have it so we don't actually use the keyboard at all. But I do need to show what letters you've used and what doesn't work and what works. So, yeah. Oh man, my Streamlabs stuff just does not work. So, YouTube chat, I can't see it right now. Actually, you know what? Let me get that up. Just so I can talk to everybody. There we go. Pop out chat. There we go. All right. So for this to work, let me do this real quick. Let's just go to adjust that so it's a little more straight. There we go. Okay, so with Wordle, we are going to need to have a word list, and we are going to have to get our current date. Both of those things are pretty simple to do here. 60 FPS, because this is going to be a very lightweight thing. Don't need any of this or that. Draw time we don't need, or the background. Everything's kind of just very simple. Input handler, we are gonna need one of these. Okay, none of these, and we don't need that either. Okay, I'll just pop an end there. Don't need the light sensor. And we don't need draw. Okay, here we go. We got our black screen. Okay, so first and foremost, we need a keyboard. So for that, let's make a new function. Draw keyboard. So I'm thinking right side of the screen, we're gonna draw it. That way we can have the actual Wordle on the left side. If I open this up, I'm just gonna pause the live stream. So let me do this. So for Wordle, we're gonna do like almost like the phone view, where it's kind of just like this little box here. And then we're gonna have the keyboard on this side. And I think that'll work. We don't need an enter or remove button on here, because those will be these two guys, these two guys. So yeah, we just need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Weird. I guess I could just do 2 rows of 10. Shit. Ow. Just elbowed my chair. I'm just gonna open up Photoshop real quick just so we can plan this out. Because I mean, I could have it so the keyboard is on the bottom if it is just gonna be 2 rows of 10. So we are 320 by 240. Because like, if it's just gonna be 2 rows, then it would be like something like that isn't the worst thing. And then just have this up here. Yeah, I mean, like, that wouldn't be bad. There'd be a decent amount of white space, but we'd keep the original layout. I'm also just gonna pop this in this channel here. You guys wanna watch? Get rid of the embeds. Okay. So yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? Do you think that's like a solid plan? I need this pop-up to go away. Does typing? Oh, it's just like a message. Okay. Oh, cool. My multi-chat does work. Dope. Yeah, I mean, I think this works. So, for a draw keyboard, I'm gonna do this. Keyboard drawn. Actually, I guess I don't need to do that. I can just run it once. Draw keyboard. Okay, so for key in iPairs, I mean, do we need a for loop? I guess, yeah. Can probably do for I need to refresh my memory. For I loop in Lua. For I3 do this. One. And then yeah, we're doing 10 for each because A, B, C. Actually, I guess that wouldn't quite work because there's 25 letters in the alphabet. Yeah, where did I get 10 for each from? Bum, 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 ba, da, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Oh yeah, no, that wouldn't work. Alright, whatever. We'll do 20 and then 5 at the bottom. What are we thinking? Do we think... I feel like it might be better to go this route if I do need to do like a full keyboard. Like have that there and then over here we have our keyboard. And then I can just do like fixed, draw, or dill. Fill rect, and then we do, it's XY, fill rect, XY width height. So I'm thinking we start, I guess it'll can't talk. It'll be better to just like offset it from 0 and then just move it over. So yeah, we'll do 10, 10, and then we'll go like 5 and 10. Way too small. Let's go like 10 and 30, 20 and 30. Like, that's not bad. I don't think I want them like too thick. So we'll do X times I plus 1 for a little gap. Okay. Do this, and then I think row, local row equals I divided by 10. So this will be times row. No. Percentage. Okay, well, we're getting some funky stuff. Not quite what I'm after. Let me think about this. So everything in the first row it should just be by 10, right? Oh no. Okay, so it's this, and then I need this, not R. Row times 10. There we go, kind of. Bum, 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 bum. This one, no. Okay, because yeah, every 10 we need this. Calculator. 20 divided by 10 gives 2, yeah, so 2 times 10 is 20, so that should just move it down. Times I times go? No. I won't lie, I've never really drawn a grid before. So we're figuring it out, Oh, drawing grid. What's that? Is that yada yada yada? 4x with spacing. Array of objects. This is probably very simple, but I'm just not able to wrap my head around it right now. Loop and draw. Okay, so let me think about this. So each row should be that, right? And then should just be able to do, so 10 is our like initial position. Plus, oh, it's plus, I'm stupid. Plus row. I gotta floor this. Not the floor. The one rough thing about this framework is it doesn't handle floats at all. Plus row times 10. Y off equals 10. So Y offset. Y offset. X offset equals 10 as well. Okay, so I think, oh yeah, no, it should be like 40. Right? Offset equals row times that, so 2 times that, yes, times I. So what's happening there, this also needs to be like 30, maybe 40. Actually no, 30 seemed fine. Yeah, 30 is fine. So row offset is incorrect. Percentage sign. That seems like it's correct, but our X offset. Actually, our X offset is fine, not this. Okay, so right now Y should not be applying to every single one. Drawing a grid of squares in Lua. I feel so dumb right now, I'm not gonna lie. Because yeah, shouldn't this just be like offset times that? So it should just like offset them. Like it looks like that part's working. But the Y stuff is not. Because like 5 divided by 10. I fucking hate the fucking start menu, man. Cause yeah, no, it just shouldn't work. What? Oh, I'm stupid. Jesus. Because yeah, this should not be doing that. Row is object in that divided by 10. So anything under 10 should be 0. Like 5 divided by 10. Divided by 5? 2. Yeah, no. Huh? How to round. How to. What the fuck am I thinking, man? Because it's like row equals that. Which is correct. Or at least it should be. Minus 0.5. No, they're still like cascading. They shouldn't be cascading, because... Ugh. Maybe I need to math out for this value. Okay, yes, the answer was I gotta floor that. Apparently we can have a float stuff. Okay, so now I need offset. I need this to reset every row. So minus row. What is 30 times 10? 300 times 300? Almost. I think the issue here is our first one is like it's offset, right? Maybe I do 270. There we go. No. Why do we have that issue at the start there? Do I need to start at 0? Oh, okay. I guess 0 indexing is only for tables. Cool. So now I need to center the last row. I don't really want to just like do an if statement. I also want to JFX set color, JFX dot K color white. There we go. Also gonna drop this to 35. There we go. I do also. Let me do local width, local height. That way I don't need to replace them a whole bunch. Okay. So width, I think we're gonna drop that a little. Maybe. How did that break it? Because Yeah, what? Is that not what it is? Width plus 5. Huh? Height plus 5. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. That's okay. I'm also just gonna close this real quick so I can see what's going on in Discord. Okay. I'm gonna center that. Okay, so placement equals x offset times that. I think I have to if row is under 3, then this. Else. Unexpected supplement. If. Am I not able to do that? 29, yeah, shit. I guess that's not a Lua thing. That's okay. Next placement, we'll just set that to 0 for now. Line 30. What? Syntax error? But we're still in the loop. I also probably shouldn't be setting all these ones before that. I'll just do that. What does it mean? Why is this having issues now? What? X placement. What if I get rid of you? Pop you there. Yeah, like what? X offset. Oh, it's because they're local, and now they are not. Okay, whatever. Fuck being local. Give everything access to it. The error persists. Okay, well for now we'll do this. No, it's still not a thing. Okay. That's so weird. Where's the syntax error? If row, which is right here, is under 3, then x offset, which is there, is multiplied by I. What? Why are we erroring? Oh. Unless I'm just stupid. But like, what? Oh, true. I am a little dumb. X placement equals that. Otherwise, X placement equals that. Okay, so X placement for the third row is X offset equals that plus 150? Because that's like half of it. Is under or equal? No. Huh. Under or equal to 2. No. Why is it just not doing anything, man? 25 divided by 10. I guess I should do if it's over 2. No. Why is it all saying it's over 2? What? Also, I think I need to do like 100. Gfix dot draw text. Gfix dot set text color. Gfix dot kit color black. Oh, so this is 0 indexed. Okay. There we go. So maybe 50 or 75. $65. Calculator divided by 3. Seems like it's 8. I guess we can do that. Divided by 8. I'll do I guess I'll do another local keys per row equals 8. Boom. So keys per row times width. No. Because that was 300 before X offset. There we go. So we could do that. Calculator, what about 45 divided by, I guess I could do 5 too, if I'm doing like side by side. 4, 5. I want one that looks decent. I think the best bet that I have is this, and then just have Y and Z at the bottom. So 6, or I guess if we're under or equal to 5, I can do that. Plus X offset, or I guess minus it? Why would we be minusing our X offset? There we go, okay. I think that's good, to be honest. So I'll do this plus half of 320 is 160. So we'll go 170, 180. I think 200, probably good. A little less, maybe. I don't know. Okay. We got a good start. Good start. So I think I'm not gonna just draw the keyboard. Yeah, whatever. I'll only draw the keyboard once, and then on top of it, I will draw the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna pop this above render. Okay. So now I need to increment through and do the whole alphabet. Best way to draw text based on the alphabet. Lua. I think it's probably just gonna be like make a whole string for it. String sub, yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. Alright. Alphabet equals, and then we do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Actually, I guess this does need to be... does it? Should we go with the QWERTY, like, normal keyboard, or like should we just do A through Z? Because, you know, it's not really a normal keyboard. I do also want to grab whatever font this is. What font does Wordle use? Karnic Bold. Interesting. Okay. I guess it doesn't really matter right now. QWERTY keyboard in a string. Let's just grab this. Okay, thanks for giving me 3 rows. that, and this, and then we're just gonna grab a slice of it. Draw text, string dot sub, and then we do alphabet, and then we do I plus 1? No. String dot sub. Still nothing. Yeah, string. Okay. So that should work. Next place. Shit. Because of this. There we go. Minus 1. So we're off by 1 again. That doesn't work. X placement plus 200. Yeah, that's the same as that. So why are we incremented by 1? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Also, I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me move it closer. Actually, I guess I can put it back here and just zoom in. Maybe it's a little too close. There we go. Should we do QWERTY? I feel like it's kind of lame. Also, goddamn it. X placement equals this. Like, what? How does it work normally, but not for the letters? X placement. Like, what the fuck? What? Let me do 0x or 0x. That way it's a little bit easier. We'll go for maybe a little higher. There we go. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure why it's off by 1 here. Because like our X placement is like that all makes sense. X placement, text maybe, and then we can just do this again, but with fixed fixed offsetting. X minus 1. So I can fix it. X minus 1. No. I don't get it. What? What is causing this? Because our string is working fine. We're starting on Q and ending on N. And our row and stuff is fine. Everything's the same as the squares. I don't get it. Okay. That doesn't make sense, but okay. Okay, so we got our keyboard set up at least. Okay, so now we should get our selected stuff done. I also want to grab, let's pop into our 3D scene for it. I need left and right, and the best way to do that is with this. So I'm just gonna pop, I'll make an input handler. Oh, we already got one from the other thing. Okay, so input handler, get time. We only need to do this. Yeah, we only need to do this when we open it up. Boom. Current date equals that. So that'll be used later on to get the actual date. Okay. So, I guess, yeah, the first thing is gonna be getting or like selecting a thing. I'm also just gonna clean this off for you guys. Oh my god, why is this thing so loose? I don't get it. Everything is as tight as it can be. Yeah, I don't know. It's annoying though. Okay. So, yeah. Input handler, this. So, if tix is over 0, then I also need to do selected key equals 0. Then selected key equals selected key plus 1. And then if it's under 0, then selected key will be selected key minus 1. Okay, let me draw this real quick. I should also render the background. There we go, and I'll do 0 to 2. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I guess I'll do I'll do if selected key does not equal I, and do this. Else, and then we're gonna do a brighter color here. Actually, I guess, yeah, I don't need to do that. Only matters on the set color. So if selected key, then gfx.k color. Actually, yeah, fuck it. There we go. We don't need angle. There we go. Huzzah. Awesome. Then if selected key is under 25, and do this. 0. Then minus, so nice. We got a keyboard thing going on here. Okay, so now let me draw function, drop playing field. And then we essentially do the same thing that we did here, but for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh, so it is the same. That's kind of funny. And then we'll do spots per row here. Spots per row. Actually, I guess this doesn't really matter. We're not gonna do more than that. So 5. We don't want to add 200. Just 10 here. We also don't need to draw any text. Actually, I guess we will, but not right now. Okay. If row is under, I guess this doesn't matter. We can just do it all in one. So there's no centering needed. Boom. Okay. So now I just need to draw this. Boom. Keys per row. 5. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's an extra one. 5 times 5 is 25, so where's this extra one coming from? I guess we start at 0, so that checks out. That's strange. Okay. Huh. So how did this work out then? What? Do I +1 somewhere? Hello, Mega. Oh man, we've had this before. Had this little quarrel before. I'm definitely a Hydro City guy. Whoa. Strange, but it works. I had a feeling we had it because I called it. Oh. Not bad. So far we got our keyboard. I'm not sure if I want to use QWERTY or just like the alphabet. But you see, we can select it. Let me zoom out a little bit. We can select it with this. So that's pretty neat. Am I able to drop the sensitivity? Yes, I can. That'll be useful for Friday Night Funkin'. I think 60 is good. Okay. So yeah, no, things are going pretty well. Right now I'm just working on getting this set up. Oh, I see. So I'm breaking this because it's the row times keys per row times x offset. Column. Got it. But yeah, I am right now doing an offline. Will that actually work? No, it won't. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, no, that doesn't quite work. What's up, Beast? I'm doing alright. How are you? But yeah, things aren't going that bad. Got most of it working. The rest is really just adding in the logic for like filling in the different cubes. And then just having it check if it's the right answer or not. I guess there is more to it, because, you know, if the letter is contained in there, then set it to yellow or green if it's in the right spot. Yeah, thanks, Beast. I enjoy streaming. I've been enjoying doing some Alarmo stuff lately. Never really been a homebrew developer, but here we are. Is it because of that? No, because that's... I don't know, man. I'm just gonna do that. It works, so I'll take it. But yeah, we're doing Wordle today. We did some 3D stuff the other day. Ended up making this little scene. Rendered from the Alarmo, of course. Also did Troupple Pond and added in Rano. For 3D rendering or for the art itself? Because for the art itself, I actually got pretty inspired by Just Wharton. Oh, for Wordle on the Alarmo. I don't know. I guess just having a clock sitting there, which is already telling the time and the date, figured it would be cool to make use of the Wi-Fi capabilities this thing has. So yeah, I mean, once it is supported, then I should be able to just attach this app to the internet and have it pull the current answer. So yeah, I mean, it's mainly just like a little, it's over on the side of my fucking desk, so might as well pick it up and play Wordle type of thing. Just it's there, so might as well allow you to do Wordle on it. It's actually a really solid piece of equipment, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do this, we'll go this color for now, and then I'm just gonna do Wordle. And we're just gonna place this. Where do we want it? So like 20 and 40 question mark. Draw text needs to be a string. There we go. GFX K-color white. Where is this? Oh, it's getting overwritten. There we go. But yeah, no, this thing is actually pretty crazy when it comes to its hardware. 80, no. I'll worry about the fonts and stuff later. 75? Sure. Outside of that, I have been I guess I might as well show it. Twitter is dangerous to show on stream. Let me pull it up over here. There we go. So the other stuff I've been working on, this is also, oh, shut up for a second, but it also has an IR sensor.
So I don't know if people know this, but this thing also has an IR sensor in it. So you can take your remote and fire at it, and then you can make it do shit. Just figured I'd throw that out there.
So that is something it can do. I guess so, yeah. Someone wanted me to port a Pico 8 Friday Night Funkin' thing to this. Yeah, there's a Pico 8 thing, and I've been porting a bunch of Pico 8 stuff. And yeah, so that's something I was doing a few days ago. The cool thing about it too is it has more functionality than a Pico 8. So like I have the actual track here instead of just the Pico 8 music stuff. It is really cool. Here's me with a quick little texture replacement using the actual textures from the game. Well, not for her, but you get the idea. Lots of bugs with it, but that's something I was doing. I ported my friend's game to it for a new one. Mute, please. It's running in half speed here, but yeah, it's a Pico 8 game that he made. Shoutouts to Moors. And I added in a wheel mode for it, so you can use the dial on top to actually turn instead of it being the main idea of the game. But yeah, it's I've just been doing a bunch of stuff. The 3D rendering, which has been going pretty well. Here's a showcase of it being attached to Blender, which is where I've been making stuff. Just been rendering it from here and trying to keep it within the limits so I can actually like rotate things around and have it not be a very slow process. Oh my god. The 15 frames per second is how it used to be with just this. But now it can run 15 frames per second on that whole tropical pond scene. Outside of that, it's just been commissions, doing animation stuff as usual, and all that sort of fun stuff. And now I'm doing Wordle because I enjoy Wordle. It's fun, and yeah, might as well, right? Ah, shit. Okay, so we got that. Now I just need to have it fill in the stuff. So we'll do current attempt equals so how to add where to a string Lua. I guess so. I don't know if you can hear me, but if you can, yeah, it's been a good kind of busy. Definitely could be doing a little better financially, but I'm having fun, so I can't really complain. So we'll do if Alarmo button is pressed. I'm just gonna copy this, and then I'll do the dial or the mail button. Then that would be fun. I do need to actually get back into Rivals 2 stuff. Yeah, I just haven't been super. It hasn't been super appealing. I'm not gonna lie. Just because of how bad the Lua situation is currently, and like with documentation being very minimal, it just seems like a bit of a hassle. I'm not gonna lie. Current attempt equals current attempt Yeah. Like, I love animating. I love coding, as you can see. It's fun. But spending forever to actually, like, figure out what the hell I need to type in is the least fun thing. I think currently you have to, or at least you have to for one of the, like, previous major updates. But I did actually give them a solution for it, and it seems like they implemented it, which is pretty cool. So I don't think you have to anymore, but you did have to for the second big update, I think. And then I'll do this string sub that, and then for playing field I need to do, oh man, this is gonna be weird. So the old characters will now be functional. The old characters, yeah, I think they just have to update once. Draw text, that times 30. What do you mean button is pressed? That's a, oh, that's what Alarmo dot button is pressed. Okay. Oh, not alphabet, it needs to be current attempt. And it should be empty right now. There should be none. Oh shit. Okay. Selected key? Question mark? Oh shit, okay. Oh. So alphabet, selected key. Also, why is current attempt draw text? Oh, that's why. Current attempt. There we go. Okay. Well, it works, kind of. For some reason, the last line of things is not working. I think yeah. And what do you mean? Oh, getting it finished this year? I have no idea. I can't say I've been keeping up with it, but they did also have to fire, or not fire, but the contract ended for one of the main people who was working on Workshop. So I have no idea, if I'll be completely honest. I also need to switch this to just pressed. Boom. Okay, and now I just need to do the same thing for the back button. Why is dial not doing it? If button, K button dial, or the mail button, yeah. It is working. What am I talking about? Okay. How to remove a letter from a string. How to remove the last letter from a string. In the direct today, they basically said all the engineers sometimes, yeah. It's a little rough. I do hope that they are able to keep things moving, but it is hard to say. Nice. but it is not working. What? Oh my god, it is working. They're just offset. Yeah, why? Oh, because I fucked that up. Got it. Okay. There we go. Okay. So I need to make it so only do this if current attempt. How do I check? If a string is a certain length. Lua.length. Okay. Current attempt length is under 5. Then do this. Both return the number of bytes in a string. If see that it said a completely different thing. Oh, I get it. Okay. Yeah, might as well just do number. Nothing. Cool. So why is our X placement off? X30. It's because it needs to be 15. There we go. Okay. So I think, yeah. Yeah. I'll do enter, or I'll do dial as enter. And then mail will just be select the button. If this, then submit Word. Backspace, Word. Enter letter. There we go. Okay. So now. Okay, I'm gonna rename this to current Word or current written Word, and then I'll do current attempt equals 0. Because every time you submit one and it's wrong, then it'll move to the next row. I also need to check to see unlimited Wordle. Okay, so yeah, nothing really changes every time you submit one. I'm also probably not going to do any fancy animations until later. So current attempt 0. Yeah, submit Word. If current written Word does not equal, or I guess I can do not. Then we do today's word, then current attempt equals current attempt plus 1. There we go. X placement. So X placement. Row offset. I guess I do this times I guess row should equal current attempt. 102. Then if that works. Oh yeah, I changed that. And it's still not doing anything. If button just pressed, then do that. Why aren't you working anymore? Shit. Okay, now it does? What? Okay, try. I mean, it's not gonna really work, but see if this works. Can't add anymore. Boom. Submit word just removed it. That. Oh shit. That's a little weird. Oh no. Shit. Yeah, why did it just remove that? Yeah, it gets rid of it. Huh. If that and current word equals 5. Okay. I guess the best way to do this would just keep it one big long string, but like chop out the different attempts, question mark? Not sure. Also, why is this like... so out of focus? I mean, that's better, but... bleh. I also do want to just back this up just in case. Alarmo. Okay. Choose the letter. So much more that I need to do with this. Okay, so this. Maybe we're a rogue. I guess, like, I don't know. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, no, just move stuff. Hmm. Okay. Okay, so our row. Attempts equals this. Okay, so current word attempt, and then we'll do other attempts. So this will be attempts, and then attempts I for attempts in attempt in attempts, where it's I pairs. Attempts. So row, this is actually supposed to be I guess I. What should we do? Attempt. Okay, there we go. Instead of that, we'll go current attempt. Okay, so when I hit this, current attempt equals current attempt at 1. And that should not activate if you have less than 5 letters. I'm also just gonna do my brain. Okay, so attempts, I think it's dot add or table dot add, table dot add Lua, table dot insert. Table dot insert, and then we go attempts, and then current written word. Boom. So that does nothing. Okay, what's the error there? That argument number 1, string expected. Oh, okay. Other way around. Table expected got string. Wow. Okay. That's strange. Got nil. What? $64. Is it this? It shouldn't be that. For every attempt in attempts, draw attempt I. Attempt to multiply a string with a number. Where do I do that? Oh. I see. Okay, I see. String.sub. There we go. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. So when we do that, then current written word equals nothing. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So now it's just not writing it. Maybe row plus current attempt. Where am I going wrong here? Because the row thing works. Current written word, that, X placement, plus that. Maybe current attempt just has to be 1 instead of 0. Now I'm just like not seeing it at all. Like, how is row? Because, like, row is just 1 through 5, right? And current attempt. Because, like, this works. The index is that. I'm just gonna do I minus 1 here. That was strange. Hold up. A. B. Which just changes to A. What the fuck? Huh? Okay. Yeah, no, it's just drawing the... Let me do this, but just drawing the text outright. Just do like 30 and 40. Yes, that would do it. I guess I'll just do A. This line is wrong. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Cool. Okay, so we're getting there. I'm gonna do today's word equals. I'll just do ghost for now. So draw a playing field. Do this. Okay, so now we need to get these slices of the letters again. If so if that equals string, so yeah, this should be pretty simple. Today's word, character index, then hell yeah, W Wordle. I'll just do that, and then this. So right now I'm essentially color green. So we got most of it done so far. Yeah, that's what happened. I guess I just need to do this once and then come on. This guy. Come on. Okay, whatever. Let me just undo that. I'll just draw it twice, I guess, and then tweak it up later. Jfix the color green. But yeah, I wanted, and I essentially just wanted a concept that could show, hey, look, we got Wi-Fi on this thing. So right now, I'm doing Wordle. So I have today's word set to ghost right now. So let me just type that in and see if this works. Boom. It did not do anything. Why did it not draw? Because this draws the other attempts. Yeah, that should work. And also, I'm not seeing. Oh, yeah, no. Oh. Okay. Well, that's good. We got some progress. Okay. So now I just needed to not do every single one. Yeah. Okay, so it's just this. Boom. So if I do like. Okay, almost. Oh yeah, I guess it wouldn't be that. It would just be normal attempt. Oh, so it's not doing it because it's correct. That's okay. For now, I'm just gonna do this. So now if we type in ghost, string with a number. What? 69. Nice. JFX, full rect. That would be why. Oh no, it's attempt index. That's what I'm looking for. There we go. So GHOST. Boom. Not quite. Attempt index -1. Oh shit. Damn. Nice streak, Trace. How are you doing, by the way? There we go. And then it lets me continue, but I think we'll do this. Hell yeah. Keeping busy. If not game 1, then do all this. Hell yeah. Alright, so there we go. How to check if a string contains a letter in Lua. Okay, string.find, nice. Okay, so if we do this, else if string.find, and then we do, what was it? String and then the number, or string and then the letter. So today's word, and then attempt character index, and then same thing, but with the color yellow. Okay, color yellow. So if I do, it doesn't really matter, but I'll do mold. Where's element? Yeah, that has nothing in it. What was I thinking? Nope. Noper. Nopes. We'll go nopes. Okay, so that O did not work. Today's word. That's why. Forgot to do this whole thing. So what? Were you saying I already know to what you've been up to? Because I really don't. There we go. And if I do like Lord. Nice. We have Wordle. Huzzah. Question though. Should we do QWERTY or should we do like A B C D E F G for the keyboard? I also do want to quickly get the font in so it's a little easier to see. How about canoe? I just need a TTF of it. Download font. Let's go. Extract. So I'm gonna need a few different sizes for this. Holy shit. Is it heavy? We'll use heavy for the Wordle words. And we will use the other ones for the other word. Or like the keyboard, I guess. Where is it? CD font generator. New. So yeah, we'll use heavy. I think 25 might work well. Go about there. Okay, and then export to that. Pop those in here. Gotta convert this to, I'll do ABP or ABMP, so it's a little bit smaller in file size. All right, let's get, where was it? Drift 1K. Font. I'm really excited to see this once I get Wi-Fi on here. So that's where this really shines. Like, yes, I can use the Wordle like answer list from like forever ago. But I do also think it's probably better. Okay, that didn't work. It would be better to have it like actually work with the normal stuff, you know. Okay, I think it has to be BMP, not ABMP. That's alright. It also needs to be not compressed. Come on, you can do it. That's because I forgot to remove that. There we go. Where's the text? Oh my. There is one big file. Guess it does have every single letter in it. Except the ones I need. Where's the English? Where is the English letters? Come on. Unless they're like in here. These are all symbol ones. Does it not have it? I mean, mean, there's a G. Yeah, it's right here. Why did I scroll through everything? Do I have to delete that? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe they were a little too big. Resize. New font dimensions? No. Oh, that's why it wasn't. Okay. I'll go 20. Bold weight. Nah. We'll go there. Import, export font, and that. And convert to BMP. There we go. Is it 25 still? It's 20. Hey, look at that. Draw text aligned. Text aligned. It's not, or I guess it is, and then center. I'll do like 100. Now we're looking official. I am also going to need to draw text aligned for all these. I also need to do it in the keyboard. True. Shit. Next placement. I guess plus 205. 210, I guess. Or how wide? I'll put it back to 200 plus, and then we'll do X offset. No, that's a width divided by 2. Come on. Math.floor. There we go. Look at that. And I need to do it for the letters too. Bow, bow, bow. That's a bug. Shit. Cool. Okay. So now I just need a validator. Also, this thing is looking so much nicer with this font. Hmm. I guess this should just be an uppercase. Where do I go for that? Edit. Where's preferences? There we go. Settings, hotkeys, or keyboard. No. Preferences, what we got in here? Keyboard shortcuts. Uppercase. What do we have for, excuse me, lowercase? Lowercase? Ugh, hiccups. Control U, I guess I can do Control I. I don't think I've ever used Control I. 4. Yeah, fuck that. I don't care. Boom. Now, just do that. Hell yeah, looking like Wordle. Okay. How do we feel about this, by the way? Does it look good? I'm gonna set X to be playing field. X offset times 5. So 30 times 5 down. 35 times 5 and divided by 2. Come on. Math.floor. Pop that in there. That ain't it, chief. Maybe we just do draw text and that'll give us the right one. No? Yeah, this is X offset is that X placement times 2 plus 15. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Should I do anything with the LED on top? Ooh, dictionary. Key value. How to do a dictionary check in Lua. But yeah, should we do anything with the LED on top? Got it. Okay. Top price. Okay. So I do actually have a allowed guesses list here. Shit. I'm just trying to think of the best way to do this. Because I do have the list here. And it has everything, but it's all just like word after word. There's no commas or anything. Convert a string of words into a Lua table. Like, I don't really want to do it like procedurally in runtime, because that would kind of stink. Run. Okay, give me a second, guys. We're automating this. I ain't doing this shit. Okay. Okay. And then I also have a original Wordle answer list that I will also be doing stuff for. So far, for those who are just showing up, I ended up doing a whole keyboard situation here, where you can select one, or you can select letters. Right now, today's word, it's not actually like set up fully yet, but it is set to ghost. So let me do. Oh yeah, that's a bug I need to fix. It should not do it. If this. Okay, there we go. So if that, then that. So now if I hit this, yeah, nothing happens. So we'll do true. But it's set to ghost right now, so if I do this... I said if I do that, come on! Is it 0 indexed? Does it have to be set to 4? The answer is no. If current written word does not equal that, then do the normal stuff. If it is, then add it as an attempt, and true. If string dot length equals 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I just had to check that a different way. Okay, so now if I do true, it's not working. What's going on, man? Post. Okay, that's annoying. This literally worked like a minute ago. Yeah, what the fuck happened? That's so annoying. That works. Current attempt equals that. Current written word is nothing. Table insert that. Oh man. That is rough. That is rough. Fuck, man. That didn't even finish. Is it still going? Is that why? Yes, it is. Oops. What the fuck? Why? Why does this not work? If string length is 5 for the current written word. If current written word is today's word, or it's not today's word, add it to the attempts. Current attempt equals current attempt plus 1. Current written word is nothing. Like, that all works. So why... this is so annoying. gfx dot drop text, and then I'll do string length of this, and then I'll do like 10, 20. Input handler, I guess I'll drop it at the end. gfx dot set text color, gfx dot k color white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that works. Boom. Now it's set to 0 because it did it. So why is this not working now? Like, how did I break it? Okay. I'll just do that there then.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's so confusing. If attempt character index. Oh, that's great. Bow, bow, bow. Wow. Didn't even make it all the way through. Yeah. Well, that's fun. Shit. Alright, let me just download this then. Save pages. That. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. I think I might add in a mode to do like endless on this thing. I think that'd be kind of fun. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, so what did I mess up here? Like, what? What the fuck? That's so stupid. Like what? This doesn't work, does it? No. No. What if I just like don't do that? Yeah, it sets it to 1. So how did I break this? Yeah, what the fuck? It was working. I mean, input handler should be fine. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go back to before I broke it, I guess. Is this a good spot? No. When did it break? Oh, I see why it broke. I see. So it's because I made it uppercase. I made it uppercase and it broke it. I forgot to. This shit. Lua to upper. Lua to upper should just be string to upper, yeah. String dot upper. There we go. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Sorry guys. I lost a few people because it was broken. But that's okay. That's okay. It doesn't matter. It's okay. Today's word. Whoop. Today's word. There we go. Are there any? No, we're good. Okay, so now I can. There we go. We're back in it, boys. Okay. Let me get rid of this. Where is it? Right there. There we go. Okay, we're back to it, guys. All right. So now I just need to turn these into tables. Okay. We're chilling. Let me make it here. Or here, I guess. File to Lua table. Okay, and then we'll do get modified. Oh yeah, I forgot to actually put the script in there. Kind of important. Boom. Boom. Reload. Nice. I'm just gonna beautify these. Lua beautifier. That way they're not like a massive string. Oh, that didn't help anything. Format. No. Alright, whatever. Okay. So that's the... Why is it... Okay. These are Wordle... answers equal that, and then allowed guesses equal this. Allowed guesses equal that. I'm just gonna make sure they are matching. Where? Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Okay, so we got these. We got our offline stuff. Hell yeah, Ace Attorney. Okay, so today's word. Actually, let me do this first. So if current word is not that, then do that. If that, and how do we do the dictionary stuff again? Do a dict searches. Okay. And if allowed guesses has current written word in it, then do that. Actually, I guess I'll do this. Yeah, we need to separate it. Actually, no, we don't. So if we have a full thing and it's one of the allowed guesses, actually no, we should split it. Flip-flopping back and forth. Also, Mega, I am surprised that you're still here. Not been super chatty today. If not that, then I'll need to like shake the row, I guess, or something. Something to say can't do that. Not allowed. I did not say elves. I wrote else. Please and thank you. Okay, there we go. So now I should be able to just type in random bullshit and it doesn't do anything. But if I do brood, I guess that's not a word either. I've been lurking. Also a video about that. Ooh, hell yeah. Let me put clone in here. Boom. It's not doing it. Huh. Oh, I know why. String lower. There's two Y's in there. Oops. Alphabet. There we go. Needs to be capital. Short answer, Ratchet and Clank 3 is any percent. Holy shit, 3 minutes? But how? That is absurd. Why isn't it letting me submit? We love a good arbitrary code execution, completely killing a game. Well, that's pretty cool. It's always nice seeing more of them show up. Super Mario Bros. 1 recently got Ace as well. It's pretty cool. They've already done shit like coding in many different NES games, all in the same run. I saw a Cosmos video where he showed it off, and like it like coded in fucking like Legend of Zelda and then Castlevania and fucking like all the stuff. It's insane. We're gonna be here a while. I apologize. Oh my god, I do not want to do this. Fuck. What do I do here? Are these the allowed guesses? Yeah. Because, like, yes, it is a table, but it's also not really working. What do I do here? Because I think it needs to be like thing and then a key, and then the key is able to be the thing, and then I can search it. Oh my god, I hate this so much. Can I just like not? There it is. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. I remember Battle for Bikini Bottom Rehydrated came out, and they found like, I don't even think it was Ace, I think it was just shitty coding. There was a way to like use the map like quick warp to select the final level. And that happened literally like the day that it came out. Yeah, it was insane. Checking for accessing a key that doesn't exist returns nil. Okay. If this equals that. The thing is, the current guess is already a string. Name Alice. Yeah, no. How to search through a table to see if a string exists. Lua. Bum 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 bum. I gotta replay Breath of the Wild at some point. See, like I could do this, but that's not really smart. Dict searches Lua. Finding a value by its key, checking if a key exists, or searching that. Key lookup, direct search, most efficient way. Local map equals name, Mary. I guess I could try if it does not equal nil. If that does not equal nil. Or I guess if it does equal nil. Come on. Okay. What do we do here? What do we do? Sanity check. Ba-da-da-da-do. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Notepad. Where do we add in the quotation marks? We don't need that because they're already 5-letter words. Right. See if this works. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this. It's kind of insane that there's no better way to do this right now. I do also need that Wi-Fi stuff, because we can... What the hell was that? Because we can make it so that... What the fuck? Oh my god. I hate this so much. Okay. There we go. I don't know why it didn't just do a whole bunch, like, in a row. But I think I know a way to make it just do, like, one line. Because this is absurd. This is stupid. Yeah, fuck that. We'll do a space instead. Okay, Wordle answers. That. Allowed guesses. There we go. Wow. Nice. Allowed guesses equals this. The only issue now is I guess it fucked up the end. Shit. Did it not? Alright. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So now it's really just, is our word allowed? Interesting method there. Jesus Christ. So many words, dude. Allowed guesses equals that. Why are there still quotations? A dick. So I can do a dick search. Oh, I wish death upon myself. What? Where did... Hello? Try. Why is it so hard to just turn this into a fucking thing? And it dies again, dude. Fuck. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna do require, and then I think it's require like that. Let me check. Play date, brick breaker. Yeah, there we go. Cool. And then I'll do guesses. Then this require answers. Once I get this working, I do have to go, unfortunately. But you know, we're doing what we're doing. So, what do we got here? Okay. So this will be allowed guesses equals this. And this will be guesses pasted in here. And then this guy answers pop it in here. Answers equal that. Is it alphabetizing it? God damn it, why does it keep doing shit that I don't want it to do? God damn it. This is so fucking dumb. Why? Why? Like, I'm just trying to fucking not waste a fuck ton of time. And it can't even do that. Good God, man. Good God. Okay, so this will be answers. I'll name this Wordle answers so we don't have any name issues. Answers. Pop that in here. Yes. Okay, and now I should be able to just do it and have it work. Ghost. Okay, nice, it works. Thank fuck. Okay. So what are we doing now? Okay, and it shouldn't just work with garbage. Yeah, cool. Okay. Now I need to do the today's word stuff. Okay. Not any of these. Okay. How does Wordle choose the answer of the day? I think I know how to do it. Let me do... Wordle answer source code. This did have a thing in here talking about when Wordle was started. Oh, it wasn't in here. It was in New York Times. No, Wordle. Fuck, man. Okay. Where is it? Was it this? It was this. Okay. So, yeah, it says 1,776 days since launch. So, how many days ago is that many days? April 20, no, June 11th, 2021. Okay. How do I do that? How to... original first Wordle days ago equals that. I'm just trying to think, how can I get this Also, there's so many things here. How to mathematically compare days from dates. Well, yeah, no shit. But that's not really how that works. So, let me do gfx dot draw text, and then we do current date 2020. Yeah, so it gives us that. So we got year, minute, second, and whatnot. I guess year times 365. So that's how many days it currently is. I'm also gonna do gfx dot draw text or gfx dot set text color, gfx dot color white, so we can actually see it. I'm also gonna go 30, so it's a little more aligned. Okay. So we'll do that. Yeah, so I think I just need to do we'll do current Wordle day equals, and then we do, okay, so what was that? June 11th, 2021. Number of June. I don't want to do mental math right now. 6 months. Okay. First day of Wordle equals, and then we do. Okay, I'm just gonna do all of this. The year plus. Oh my god, there's so much to this. Plus current date dot day. Actually, it's not that bad. Never mind. What am I talking about? Equals 2021. Date month times 31. Yeah, this isn't really how you get that, but how to get current date in days. In total days. Current. What the fuck? Okay, so we'll do this, and then we'll do 21 divided by 4. Shit. I guess, yeah, that one stays static, so 2021 divided by 4 plus 505. And instead of current month, it would be 6. Add months. Why are dates so goddamn complicated? Standard month table. 31st, February 28th. Calculator. So we got 31 plus. See, like 28/29. Like, that's so stupid. God damn it. I'll just do 30. Fuck it. I don't give a shit. And then. Yeah, what day? 11th. Okay. So we got that. Plus. Month times 30, and then current day plus current year, or current date dot year divided by 4. They just turn down 100. Oh. Shit. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Actually, I guess it doesn't really matter. I'll do today's word. Actually, I don't want to spoil that. Might as well get like an actual thing. Excuse me. Okay. So, and then we need current Wordle. Actually, I guess I don't need to do that. So I'll do today's word equals Wordle answers dot current Wordle day minus first Wordle day. And now let's see. What are we thinking, guys? What word should we try? Once we do this, I'm gonna wrap up the stream because we've done everything stone. Okay, we'll give stone a try. Thanks for sticking around, by the way. Motherfucker. What did this say? Oh, it's not gonna let me do it. We're almost there. Don't quit on me yet, guys. 137 to upper. String expected got nil. Today's word. Today's word equals that. Oh shit. Okay, so this one needs to be a list. Shit. Okay, so not Talua table. This one is Talua dict. And then go back. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay. Okay. Shit. Let's go to table. Wordle answers equals that. Okay. Now we're gonna try this. S-T-O-N-E. Motherfucker. Why? They're all strings. Oh, is it because it wasn't like reloaded? No. To upper string expected got nil. Fuck, why? Oh, that's why. Or no, that doesn't make sense. Today's word equal Wordle answers that minus that. Plus 1? Actually, wait. I need to draw what this actually is so I can see it. How many days? Should be 1175? Oh. Math.floor. So 1785. It should be 1776. 29. Seven. 2021 divided by 4. You know what? I'm fine with it for now. Let me get rid of this. Alright, stone it is. Stone is our first guess. Boom. God damn it. Why is it nil? How many lines do we have here? We have many more than that, so what the fuck? What? Why are we doing this? Attempt and current, yeah, attempt is a string because we push our string, right? So why aren't we able to get our string? If current written word is not equal to today's word. Okay, I don't know, man. We're gonna try this out. Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. Shit. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. I just forgot to floor it still. Math.floor. that. No, we should work. I hope. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, okay. We're here, we're here. Okay, mega. We got an O in the middle. Or not in the middle, but it is in the word. I'm gonna try. Crown, no crown. Have that in the middle. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay, I totally forgot. I need to make it so it grays out letters that are not it. Oh, motherfucker. Okay, shit, dude. I'll do that later. Actually, you know what? Well, you can still use them, but like it just grays them out on the keyboard so you know what you wrote. Luckily though, I do think I have an idea of how I'm gonna do this. It's not really gonna be quick though. Okay. Bum, bum, ba-da-da-na-na-na-na, dun-da-da-dun-dun. 0x. No, it should only do it on this row. Essentially, yeah. And then I do else here. Okay, there we go. So now it won't really do it, but god damn it. What do you mean multiply a string with a number? Oh, that's why. Forgot to do that. Okay. Okay. If selector key is that. Okay. Actually, this might not be bad. Incorrect letters equals that. Then I should just be able to, if, oh shit. Actually, yeah, that'll be fine. So if that, then let me get rid of the full screen one for now. So right now I'm just gonna be doing if you find the current letter, string sub alphabet I, in incorrect letters. Then this will be set to a much darker thing, 0x111111. Okay, so that should work. String expected got table in 50. What? Incorrect letters. What? Number 1. String expected got table. And the first one. If string find string upper. I guess I don't need to turn it into uppercase. But what do you mean? It's not a string. Or it's not a table. Because we're turning it into a string. I'm just gonna see what this has to say. True. Ooh. Bum, bum, bum. What is going on here? I guess I can try this. Okay, we're back. And then character equals this. Don't give me an error. Cool. Okay, if incorrect letters has this, not a match at all. Okay. Three, four, five, six. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, cool. So now I just need this to add it. Table.insert incorrect letters, and then I need to set it up like the guesses. So add, and then we'll do this, that equals true. Symbol near that. Can I just like add it in quotes and have it work? Oh. Is true? No. Okay. Oh, neat. So I don't need to insert it like I do a normal table. Okay, so now it should work. There we go. Look at that. Okay, now we just need to draw the text correctly. Okay, color white. And I also need it up here. Okay, color white. Okay, and then instead of white, I'll do 0x. I'll try C. Maybe a little less. We'll go. Okay, we're back in it. We're back in it. All right, let me zoom in. It kind of sucks that it's blooming a little bit. Okay, once we get this, I'm hopping off for the night. Let me drop this down a little bit. Color correction. Gamma seems to work. Maybe more contrast than that. No. 1, 0. Jesus. Defaults. Yes. Okay, there we go. Alright, Mega, here we go. We're trying stone. Okay. That might be a little too dark, actually. Let's say... We'll try 4s instead of 1. Here. 4s instead of 2s. Okay, we're back in it. We're back in it. I need to change the yellow, but I'll do that later. Okay. I'm actually really proud of this. I won't lie. Like, this is pretty sick. Okay. What are we gonna try now? Yeah, now we're gaming. This part of the song. I don't know what to try. Shit. Dorky? We can try dorky. There's no K there. Fuck. Okay, well we got an R. What do you think, Mega? Also, let me just real quick, I'm just gonna yoink the color here, because yellow is a little too bright. 0x that, and then the green, do this guy. So stone and dorky is the ones we went with. There we go. Look at that color. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, there we go. Yeah, no longer eye attacking. Primo. Okay. Oh my god, what word is this? Oh no, okay. Hold up. I forgot to... Oops. I forgot an important thing. Oh god. So if we do this... No, the color green works. I forgot to make it so that it tells us if our... Like if we don't get it, I need to tell us the answer. If current attempt plus 1 equals 6 and not game 1, then and then we'll just draw text. Game lost equals true, and in here if not game lost, then do this. Bum 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 ba da 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 do. Else, and then we'll do clear that, and then this will just be in 320 divided by 2 and 240 divided by 2, and it will be just in case, but I don't think it will. Okay. Are we ready? Okay, so we did Stone, Dorky, and Primo. Stone, Dorky, and then Primo. Okay, what next? What next? Actually, I guess it's my turn. Let me just do this real quick. Okay. I feel like it's gotta start with an R. Maybe, I don't know, our E is already used. Fuck. What is this? Fuck. That's not a word. Fuck. I feel like it's gotta like start with RA. Or it has like a double letter or something. Okay, I'm open. I'm open to ideas. What do we got? Either that or it starts with an O. Razor? Ooh, that's a good one actually. What the fuck? Okay, so it's gotta, yeah, it like our O has to start here. And our R has to be right there. But like what? Like what word is like this? Also, what shitty luck. Oh my god. Actually, you know what? Just to sanity check, just to sanity check, I need. Oh no! Okay, you are partially right. You are partially right. In the word, but wrong spot. Draw order. Shit. I was doing the correct spot check at the end. Completely my bad. I also forgot to add in the yellows and greens. Cause in Wordle, yeah. 1 second. Okay, yeah. Alright, let me also add in some extra checks for this. Actually, you know what, I'll do that later. I gotta get going. Okay, so now we should see the greens. I am so sorry for that. Stone. Yeah, I was like, there's no way. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we'll go from here. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Yeah, my bad. Also, I'm just gonna quickly gonna quickly add in support for that. Where do I add them though? Ah, right here. I am so sorry. Okay, wrong spot letters there. And then correct letters equal true. Fuck. What a blunder on my end. Okay, so if it's not an incorrect letter, but it's a wrong spot letter, right? And 0 AAA. Whatever, dude. So if it's a wrong spot letter, then we'll just draw this one. We're almost there. We're almost there. I do also want to just like back this up real quick. Correct spot. Yeah, no, I was like, this is a little bit too crazy of a word. Else, okay. Okay, so now 29. Oh, wrong brackets. Okay. There we go. Okay, so your first one was stone. Somebody else has joined, so I will let them do the... Okay, so I messed that up. Hold up. Correct letters. There we go. Okay. Whoever this second person is, if you want to do the next word, feel free. We haven't gotten the answer yet. Just like I finally got things to work. But yeah, if you have any requests for words, feel free. They have left. I guess you don't call people out. Okay. What's your next one, Mega? Polar. Damn, that was rough. Okay. We'll do. Fuck. What? I don't know. I don't know. Hmm. I feel like there needs to be a double letter for O. Yeah, I got nothing. uh, hmm. Do you have any ideas? Yeah, me too. This one's tricky. No, there's no N. Yeah. Okay, we'll try Morn and see what we got, even though our N is already used. Okay, okay. I'll let you do the last one. Also, I feel like I miscalculated. Oh my god, I did. I was gonna say it feels like less like attempts than normal Wordle. The normal Wordle. And it's cause normal Wordle has 6. We have 5. Okay, okay. So we got Stone Dorky, Puller, and Morn. It's a pretty important one. 5 times 6, 30. So 29 there. So we'll do 35 and 30 then. Oh man. I actually kind of liked it with only 5. This is like a little too small. 22 or 27. 26, 28. I mean, it doesn't look that much worse. I just need to fix the offsetting with it. So instead of that, we'll do local total offset equals 20. What? Why isn't it moving? Oh, it's because I'm dumb. Yeah. We'll go 25, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I don't like it as much now. 28 maybe. And just remove some from here. 23. A little less, maybe just 20. Okay. So we had... Oh shit, I need to also up this a little bit. If that equals 7. So now we don't die one attempt too early. Okay, stone. Dorky. Polar. More. Okay. Have you thought of another one? Is there any... I guess it has to start with an N. Oh, maybe rough. Would you want to try rough? I have a pretty good feeling that it's rough. Taking a while. I'm just gonna go rough. Hey yo. Okay. Alright. Let me just do the same thing over and over again. Just to see what happens. Leaves. Boom. Also, I'm kind of surprised that you don't play Wordle. It's fun. Leaves. Okay, so it does let you do another one. That's good. No zero indexing issues. So now this should say what the word is. God damn it. Floor number expected. Oh shit. Oh. Why? Why did I do that? Okay. I'm just gonna remove this check. Okay. But yeah, that was fun. Fun little coding adventure. And there it is. There's the word. I will work on this a little bit. Just to give it some nice animations. Alignment dot center. There we go. I'm also gonna do string to upper. Or string upper, I guess is what it is. And I guess I'll do color red. There we go. But yeah, thanks for sticking around. That was fun. Once we get online capabilities, I will be. Why is it like lower than it should be? Minus 20. Once I get online capabilities, then I will be adding in some more stuff. I'll make it actually use today's Wordle instead of, trying to get there through math. But yeah, that was fun. Thanks for sticking around, and